Paano po gagawin pag babagal magbasa tapos nauutal-utal pa ako? If problema mo din to, then keep watching this video. Kaya mo gawin tong tatlong to para maiwasan natin to. At number 3, take note of the punctuation. Anong ibig kong sabihin? Yung mga period, comma sa mga sentences, they are there for a reason. Magpo-pause ka saglit, hihinga ka, tapos magsasalita ka ulit. Number 2, wag mong bilisan, wag kang mag-rap. And of course, wag mo rin namang bagalan. Yung saktong speed lang. Kasi kung magaling na kayo magbasa out loud, hindi na kayo nauutal, kaya nyo nang mabilis eh. And make an effort to enunciate it more clearly. At number 1, ramihan mo yung speaking activities mo. Kung wari, nasa room ka lang, wala kang ginagawa, nagbabasa ka ng libro. Instead of like reading it in your mind only, you can read it out loud. Like this one. The circulatory system of vertebrates consists of the following: blood, heart, arteries, and arterioles. Because the more you practice, the more that it gets easier on your part.